Bruh.
Dude, I'm having issues with my internet, and it's not even my internet. I did a speed test. It's fine. It's just having issues. I have no idea, man. So I'm sorry about the lag. I don't know what to do, man. Hey, fellas, what's up? Early live stream, price action analysis, I guess, right? Where we are witnessing a potential major breakout on Bitcoin, at least above the 15,782 high, that high where traders settled up on the daily, December 26, 2017, about 3 years ago. You know, we tested it. This had been regarded, if you watch the streams, right? This is what you get. I mean, we reversed there, we rallied, we reversed again, but every time we made higher lows, and now we're trying to break it. And again, I do apologize about the quality of the internet. I have no idea what the problem is, dude. No clue, because I did a speed test. There's no issues. Like, my upload speed's good. You know, it's in the 20s, which is peasantry. I don't have fiber, but that's plenty for a live stream. So I can't tell you why the lagging happens. So I might have to reset my computer. Maybe that. Do you think that would have anything to do with it? All you PC people out there, Ninja Girl, I don't know, peoples. Was it shadow ban? No, I don't think so. No, there's no shadow ban. No, we're good. I think. So 15,938. The next target, really, if we're talking about 100% measure move, this consolidation structure, we're talking about 17,200, but we do understand, you got to understand there is a resistance at 17,084, right, from the breakout, 17.2 right there. So you can see it. That's the target. I mean, that's the 100% measure move. Parabolic run still going, momentum still high, still positive. It just, beauty is, Bitcoin just went positive on the 4 hour, you know, and this is the second histogram, which this could continue to build, and we can see much higher prices. All right, just know where you are. Like historically on Bitcoin, there's just not much more resistance. There's like one at 17,100 or whatever. God, man, unwatchable. I'm watching it kind of on my dashboard, and I keep seeing that that buffering. Stream status poor. It is poor, dude. It's peasant. It's inverse king. I already reset the internet. I reset the internet before I tried to go live, dude. What's up, Gall, dude? Jeez.
Bruh.
Yeah, there is packet loss. It's certainly lagging. It's certainly lagging. There's nothing I can do. Again.
Noise.
Buy new computer.
Specs on my PC, it doesn't get much better than this. I mean, I've made full reinvestments over and over for this.
Bitcoin gains Mitch, mark my words, $20,000 by December 1st.
Little J, that's bold of you. Bold statement, sir. I mean, I'd love that, but remember, it's like you don't make calls, man, like by times, by dates, you know, it's just weird. It's not what real TA is about, okay? Now, the technical analysis was telling us there was a major resistance where we are, and we're breaking it, but without confirmation, 2 hours, 19 minutes, so your 4 hour close. But, you know, the levels you're at, this is just exactly where huge price spikes could occur. So, OBS update, oh, that might be something, maybe. Dude, it's almost unwatchable. I'm sorry, chat. Like, I keep seeing it buffering. It's not my internet. I don't know, dude. There has to be something with OBS. If my internet speed test is fine, like it has to, right? I reset both. 0-1, both, literally. Stop. See, I mean, these call 32,000 by January 25th, dude. Come on, relax. Spin the bottle, dude. We did more spins than probably we ever have yesterday, man. I'm super hungover. I shouldn't even be here right now.
Galzide Hellbox super chatted $49.18. Spin the bottle.
Spin the bottle? Who's on the other side of the bottle, Gall? Hopefully it's not you, right? Thanks, dude, for the $50 super chat. The 1,000 Mexican pesos. Oh my god, I'm gonna be a pesos whale, chat. What's up? I mean, my upload speed's fine. That's what's so perplexing to me. I don't understand. I wish someone could help me here. So is my internet just lying to me? There's the lag again, dude. It's unwatchable for y'all. I mean, I don't know how I can get better, because yesterday or last night it was just as awful, right? What's up, Jeffrey?
Hey Mitch, I hear Applebee's has great Wi-Fi. How about a remote stream?
I mean, I could do it, but dude, we might miss the pump by the time I get to wherever, right? And I don't want to get wrecked on their Wi-Fi, okay? Dude, we're about to be at $16,000. All right, we're about to break the wick high from November 6th. You understand? We're about to be the highest high of the entire rally. The recovery since March, we're about to be the highest point. We're all going to be here together, hopefully. We might be buffering. See, yeah, I mean, I doubt a restart of my PC would fix it, but my PC was left on all night last night. All night. It just doesn't make sense like why restarting PC would work in this situation, but it could happen, man, right? Oh, dude, I have a 2970 Threadripper, so AMD, there's no way there's CPU problems, right? Tomas is saying it's it's YouTube. It was pretty bad last night, watchable, but ND Trust, is it better now or is it worse now? Fed shutting me down. Yeah, dude, Bitcoin, destroyer of fiat. Let's take this whole thing to, yeah, I don't know why I'll fixate on Applebee's, dude. How about we go to an independent restaurant and support them, right? Screw the man. That's why we own Bitcoin, right? But it's not just Bitcoin that's having a nice day so far, up almost 4%, if you can even believe it. Oh crap, hold on. Gotta chill with maybe copyright stuff. We gotta be extra careful. Of course, dude. Man. Give me a break, internet. Just please, just leave me alone for once. Just let me have a nice stream with my peoples, with Bitcoin pumping, right? Take me back to 2019, you know? God, and this song's terrible. Dude, like really? Just chill. Other streamers are having problems too. See, I mean, that's goodish news, I guess. It's stabilizing. I don't know, dude. We'll just have to play it. You know, if it gets bad enough, Alice and Nathan chat people, hit it up. Hit up the chat, like Kanatomo or Brad or some. One of y'all just hit it up and let me know it's unwatchable and I should try to reset my entire computer. You know what I'm saying? So. Alright, we're just at the highest levels, man. We're about to break it, alright? Maybe we should just add an alert right above it. So when we hear the beep, man, we are actually touching the highest point of the whole rally. Okay, there it is. But, I mean, ascending triangle, right? Where there was no certainty ever on Bitcoin breaking up or down. Ever. But there was the hint of bullishness, right? Hey, the RSI little downtrend got broken. And while it got broken, you're going positive. I mean, the oscillators on the 4 hour look exceptional. You're not even close. I mean, you're at 65 on the RSI. You realize that being 65 on the 4 hour RSI on Bitcoin, that's definitely how you can get to much higher prices where we are. Like bullish tornado warning. Like we have like a bullish tornado that's like touched down and it's growing and it could turn into an F3 to F5. Dude, the platform doesn't matter, Manimal. Oh my god. What is that? 3 million shorts liquidated? Where's the volume? Don't worry about the volume, dude. Most of the trading is done OTC, over the counter anyway. So the exchanges are going to lag behind. The whales buying quietly off exchange, not on exchanges. So you just can't take volume on. But I've said this has been, ever since I started streaming, that's been the same thing when people talk about volume. Ethereum up 4.65%. Here's the thing. All right, we broke the pennant. We broke out yesterday at live. And now we are getting some continuation of the upside off that breakout. But here's the thing. What's crazy, dude? No higher. You are at the top, the tip top once again of the upsloping channel we've had plotted for a while, right? If you break it, 487, 495 are targets. That's it. No ifs, ands, or buts. 487, 495. But if you break 500, chat, you just have to understand on the monthly where Ethereum could go. Same analysis has been given for months. There's no change here. It's the same one, dude. You could see $652, 100% measured move of the major double bottom. One of the largest double bottoms you'll see out there right now that exists, okay? And this is what we were talking about. I mean, we closed the month, last month, above the neckline of the confirmed double bottom. And look at the fall through we're getting. We're at our highest level, right, of the whole run. Despite the wick. And that wick was a reversal area on the weekly or daily. So it is only, I mean, I wouldn't say it's only just begun for Ethereum, but if we're talking about a breakout, this is just begun. This really has just begun for Ethereum on the monthly on a breakout. This could take 6 to 8 to a year, 6 months plus to get to 652. But then again, when there's no resistance and we're in crypto, maybe not. Maybe it happens real fast. Okay, it's beautiful. We cool? We cool on Ethereum? I think we are, man. We dead, man? Thanks for the nearly 1,000 people tuned in. Again, I do apologize about the stream quality. If you're getting buffering, yeah, I can just see it, man. It's real rough. It's somewhat watchable, I guess. So anyway, that's Ethereum. The weekly, if you want to look at it real quick. The positive momentum has only just begun to build. Listen to this, dude. This is what's so incredible about Ethereum, okay? It held. It spent a lot of time consolidating at a critical support resistance area, back testing 2017 levels as support for like over a month. But last week, we got a bullish engulfing candle. Bitcoin just hit the highest level of the entire rally, chat. Though it has pulled back, it's 15,971. It hit its highest point just now. So, Jesus chimes. Wonderful, man. Absolutely incredible. So, with Ethereum on the weekly, what was so good about it last week was the bullish engulfing candle confirmed. You had just begun to build your positive momentum, so you could only imagine if we're getting, positive Momo building, higher prices. Well, that's beginning right now. Again, 495 is the little pennant measured move. It's beautiful. But you got to break, man. You got to break this supply line here. And you can clearly see how well respected it is. I mean, we only had one anchor point on the top. That was what was so incredible about this channel, right? It was 1, 2, 3 on the bottom, and then just one on the top. And then, the third target of the trade setup hit, and then it went a little bit, like a few dollars higher, hit that, and then that's where it reversed and began its consolidation before now breakout. And here we are one more time at it. So, very good stuff, man. Very, very good. But, it's really interesting, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum up near 4+%. Not many other altcoins are doing that. I mean, you got, some offshoot or scrub, bottom of the barrel S coins like ICX up almost 5%, KNC up 5%.
Shout out to all the vets, and pumped about being here with you all.
Very true. Very, very true. Happy Veterans Day. Thanks so much for all your service, everyone that, serves in the military to protect the West.
Good to see you back at it after yesterday night.
Freedom.
Smiley face, smiley face, smiley face. Can you check /US, please? Thanks.
Jar, unfortunately I can't. Mana is one of those S coins that's not on watch list that I don't look at, so it's $10 minimum for S coins that are really bad, like blah. But I'm sure it pumped or something, dude. Thank you, man. That's the rule though. It's always been that. Right? What happened? It's watchable. Okay, thank you, Brad, for the feedback. Just keep me posting on that, please. Seriously. YouTube server could be having a problem. All right. Well, I mean, that sounds like the case. Now we're pulling back pretty hard right now on Bitcoin. Not as much on Ethereum. 15,852. Let's go back to it. we're just monitoring it, right? When Bitcoin was just about 4.5% up, it's now only up 3.6%. What's up, Shalom, man? Thanks for the sub. Ooh. Long's liquidated a little bit. Few. So where's the real breakout, though? Like, where is the big, powerful impulse? You know, we're just, maybe it'll take time, but a 15782 is it, man.
Opinion on weekly 786 around 16.2 BTC? Gardley Connect?
Yeah, it's there. But I guess the good news about it is there's just not enough bearish variables to line up with it. Yeah, 16.2 is the PCZ of a huge bearish Gartley, man. I mean, an insanely sized one. That is super scary, right, in a way. What's up, Jared? Thanks for the sub, dude. Good news, bullish engulfing candle. If price can sustain at these levels for long enough, 6 more hours, we'll get a huge engulfing candle. And if we get, you know, you want to see traders settle up on the daily above 15,782, because we've not done that yet. Okay, not once. So, yeah, he's talking about the Gartley, dude, the big bearish Gartley that is kind of concerning. I mean, it is a deep retrace. It's the XABCD thing. That's a little off, right? I mean, 90%. So, but yeah, 786 right there, 16.2. Right, pattern completion zone of a huge bearish Gartley. But and near 1272, the 1272 is just a little. I mean, that's confluence right there. That's for sure confluence. So you got to wonder, maybe. I mean, but and if we're talking support resistance looking left, man, there's nothing till $17,100, right above this. And let me show you on the daily anyway. You look left. All right, this is what we've been consolidating at. We've been reversing 2 times, and now for the 3rd attempt we're trying to break it. Not certain if we will break it. Nothing is ever certain, but if you can sustain prices above this long enough, your next move up would be up here, right at the peak from January 2018. And if you ever broke that, well, I mean, just above it's like 17.3, and then after that, man, it's like nothing until 19,656. So yeah, man, big, yeah, that's the controversy. I think that is definitely the controversy. A major 78% retrace. Yeah. Very good. My God, look at this. Just holding above 70. Back to using 70 as support somehow on the relative strength index. It's ridiculous. Uber bullish conditions. The parabolic run, though, continues. I haven't even been zoomed out. Is it not just beautiful? The parabola, the acceleration of demand and accumulation on this asset is ridiculous. You decibel check. Music too loud, too quiet, too good, too bad. Bueller. Sorry, yeah, super wiped out from yesterday. Okay, sounds good, Brad. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I'm super wiped out. I streamed for like over 5 hours last night. Y'all got me wrecked. I can barely remember the end of the stream. Alright, so thanks for that. Really appreciate it. It was a lot of fun though. My God. Whew. A lot of fun. But you know, with Bitcoin's price action, with you know, the tech and the growth kind of making a comeback today a little bit on the stock market, you know. The big losers yesterday are now on the top gainers today, so they're recovering a little bit. You know, makes it a little bit easier to get over this hangover, I guess, right? Etsy being the top gainer on the S&P 500 today, up almost 8% on, I think it was earnings.
Cosmos Atom Connect.
What happened with Cosmos, man? Thanks, Rush Pabs for 1337. We looked at that, didn't we? That was one of the assets. Oh, jar. Well, I mean, you know, it's just the way it is, man. Like, you could request it in the Patreon chat. I don't think you did, right?
It's alright. No discounts for Patreon members. Stay safe and happy bits day. -US.
Thank you, Jar. Well, dude, you can always request it. Ping me in Patreon. Be like, hey, could you look at this for me? I'll be like, sure, dude. And I'll look at it. And that's kind of what the Patreon's for. You know, if we're live, it's kind of tough to, you know, because we're... Like, the whole point of, like, the major S-Coin thing is, you know, it's... You saw yesterday how many major S-Coin requests there were. Sure, yeah, Cosmos or Atom is up 2% today. We looked at this yesterday. It actually looked incredible on the daily. Right? It was really nice bullish convergence, bouncing off the 200-day moving average. If you ever got above 544, which it looks like you're running to, I think you could have a really nice run to 724. I mean, there's no resistance if you break that. Right? We up thrusted multiple times, but you know, what's the most recent major event that has occurred on this chart? A higher low, and now you're running, and it might be time again to test 544, or you could have a really nice run. Again, the target if you break 544, it's gonna be 724 minimum. That's it, dude. 724. You ever break that? 881 or so, 882. That's Adam. Okay. Mana. All right, let me roll up my sleeves here and check it out. Decentraland Connect. Oh my God. Where are we gonna find some? Is this better? Where does it not look like a steaming pile of crap? You know, like with some liquidity. Bittrex maybe. Bittrex is good. Okay. So laggy. I'm so sorry, chat. Really, I don't even know what to say, man. I'm embarrassed. I just can't help it. It's like not me. It's like not my internet. Like according to the... Oh my God, this is so annoying on Mana, dude. Like, okay. Please look at my S-Coin that you can barely even chart. Thanks for the 1,100 people tuned in. If it keeps getting bad like this, a restart might have to happen, unfortunately. So, Decentraland, it hit the top. I mean, it looks like a major resistance. Wow, it's almost getting unwatchable. Yeah, chat, it's getting real bad now. But with Mana, if you can even watch, if you break 11.1 cents,